Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the FLOUREON 12000mAh power bank. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So let's peel apart the flap to the packet to reveal the power bank. So this is the power bank packaging, as you can see. Let's set it down on the tabletop so you can have an unobscured view of the packaging. So simple plain packaging here, card packaging with the FLOUREON branding throughout the top and the sides. Now let's go ahead and pop it open. So pulling out that flap there and lifting up the box cover to reveal the power bank. So the power bank comes in 4 colors. This one is in silver. Let's go ahead and set it aside along with the rest of the contents. So spreading them across the tabletop and always double checking, making sure that there's nothing else tucked away under the packaging. So that's the box emptied out. Let's go ahead and set it to the side. Just being a bit neat here. And we can, of course, chuck it to the side, perhaps over there. Okay, so contents laid out right across the tabletop with the power bank to the right and 2 pieces of paper to the left of it. Okay, so let's start off with this happy or not happy card. So this appears to be a customer satisfaction card with contact details, of course, should you be unsatisfied or are quite satisfied and want to let the company FLOUREON know about the product. Okay, so this is the user manual or user guide to the power bank, the FLOUREON 12000mAh power bank or 12K power bank. Okay, so just gonna spread open the user guide to show you what it's all about. So front and back side is clear. So let's have a look at the details at the front and on this side as well. So user instructions for the power bank. Now we've had a quick look at that. We can now set it down and move on to the power bank itself. Let me make some readjustments to the background so it doesn't get too distracting. There we go. So now having a quick look, you can see that the power bank is neatly packaged in a clear plastic wrapper. Let's go ahead and slide the power bank out. Okay, so this is the silver version. It's also available in black, red, and rose gold. And you can see that it does have a metallic finish to it. And in terms of weight, it is quite noticeable, the weight of the power bank. And it does have a nice cold surface to it, as you can see that there is slight condensation when I touch it. It's pretty cold at the moment. Weather-wise, snowing in London, about -1 degree Celsius for the weather update here. And showing you the ports to the power bank. So you can see there is a power button to the left, as well as an 8-pin input port, a Type-C port, and a USB out port on the right. So to charge, you can use these 2 ports in the middle to charge up the power bank, and of course to charge up your mobile device, use the USB outlet port on the far right. So going to give you some close-up looks at the kind of finish to the power bank. So a pretty smart finish with a metallic speckle right across the sides of the power bank. So right there as well, another view of the power bank. And you can see the FLOUREON branding towards the bottom of it. And size-wise, you can see that it's quite a long or large power bank, resting it in the palm of my hands right there. It is pretty tall, but it does have a nice, elegant shape to it. Very simple and unfussy. And having a look at the bottom, and you can see the 12,000 milliampere hour indicator or label, along with the model specifications and battery specifications as well. Okay, so nice, good look all round. The FLOUREON 12,000 milliampere hour power bank. Nice and shiny in this silver finish, metallic silver. So the case is, I suppose, metal, so because it is pretty cold to the touch. Although it sounds plasticky, it is metal. And we can always double check that by tapping it with a coin. You can hear that metal clink to it. So on the end caps, it does have plastic end caps to the power bank, and once again giving you another look at the connectors at the front or top of the power bank. Okay, now let's go ahead and of course just tap on that button to reveal the LED status indicator light displaying the battery reserve or power reserve of the power bank. So 50% approximately remaining. So 2 out of a possible maximum of 4 white LEDs. So nice, simple power bank. No cables included, just so you're aware. With a nice metallic silver finish, as you can see. And in terms of slimness, it is rather average in terms of thickness. So it is slim for its battery capacity being 12,000 milliampere. However, it is pretty long, as you can see just how long that power bank is in the palm of my hand. So that's the FLOUREON 12,000 milliampere hour power bank. Thanks for watching and happy charging!